Here is the FR380 from boats2go.com. It's a 12.5-foot fishing raft. It comes with a frame and the raft. The frame is held together with 6 pins. In the front it's got a little cargo cover, and I believe these are motor mounts as well. In the back, we've got a anchor block, as well as a couple rod holders and accessory tracks. In the back too, it came with an open frame so that the frame could be added to. I put the rubber caps on there that came with the frame. Looks to be pretty durable. Perimeter has got some additional PVC layers that go all the way around. It ships with a hand pump, a repair kit, and an extra valve, also a carry bag. It was very easy to put it together, and didn't take long to pump it up, even with the hand pump that was included. So yeah, looks to be a cool raft, looks to be a fun raft, and looks to be durable. FR380 from boats2go.com.